Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. Today's video, as you can see, I have no makeup on just because I wanted to take you along with me while I'm getting ready because I need to go out with my kids, and I wanted to share with you my version of the no makeup look. So obviously the no makeup look means you still use a bit of makeup, but at the end you really want your makeup to look like you have barely no makeup on the face. So this is what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna show you and sharing with you my version of the no makeup look, and we're gonna use mostly our fingers, a beauty blender, and one brush at the very end of the makeup. So the star of the show today is this palette here, is the Makeup Revolution Pro Sculpting Palette, the 4-in-1 face contouring palette. It is a cream contouring palette, as you can see, and what is great about this palette is that you can do everything with it. You can do your whole look basically with this palette, and I really wanted to show you how I use this palette because it's really a useful palette to have. And when you are like me, sometimes you don't feel like you want to wear any makeup and you still want a little something on your face, this palette is the way to go. So if you wanna see how I'm gonna do my no makeup look, just keep on watching. So first thing first, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my hair at the back so you can see properly what I'm gonna do with my face. And what I like to do is to focus on the skin, because since we are barely wearing no makeup, it's very important to have your skin bright, your skin radiant, your skin, let's say, clear from any imperfections, any flaws. So I'm gonna use this Bright Glow Insta Glow CC Cream by The Body Shop in the shade Light Skin. So what it's gonna do, it's gonna brighten my face, give some radiance, but also it's gonna mattify where I need to be mattified. It's gonna also protect my skin with the SPF 20, and it's gonna blur my pores and my imperfection. So it's a great base to start with. So then, just to control a little bit my T-zone, I'm gonna use another primer, and it's by L'Occitane, an ultra matte face fluid. It does moisturize and rebalance your skin. So I'm just gonna use it on my T-zone to get an extra mattifying effect. Since we're gonna use mostly cream product, it's very important to focus on your base and to make sure there will be no shininess throughout the day. Now I'm just gonna put some lip balm with the By Terry Baume de Rose. Now for the base, I'm gonna use a BB cream, but it's gonna be an all-in-one BB cream by The Body Shop. And what this BB cream does, it's a color adapting tinted cream, and I have it in the shade 02. This BB cream is amazing because actually when you use the product, it comes out white, as you can see. What it does, it just adjusts with your pH and your own skin, and it makes it, you see, when I'm rubbing it into the skin, the color changing, and then it comes like your second skin. It's pretty amazing, you see that? And now it just changing into my own skin tone. It's beautiful, and plus it gives that extra glow as well. So for a no makeup look, this product is just perfect because it's your skin but better in a way. So I love that. So I'm gonna apply it all over my face, and you see how great it is. It's my skin, it looks healthier, it looks radiant, it looks glowy, and it looks like really I have a natural base. It's beautiful. Now for concealer, the one I'm using is the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Invisible Cover Concealer, and I have it in the shade Air 30. I'm using my beauty blender and I'm blending out my concealer. And this concealer is really great because, as I said, it's lightweight, you don't feel it on the skin, it's invisible to the eye, so it doesn't look like you're wearing any concealer, and at the same time it does brighten your under eye and does cover very well your dark circle. So it's a great product as well for a no makeup look, because you don't look like you're wearing concealer and yet you still have your dark circle and all your flaws covered up by it. So it's really a great product as well. Now let's use the star of the show, which is the palette. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna use our finger. First, we're gonna contour a little bit just to give some dimension, because as you see your face, you can see you have a bit of shadow underneath your cheekbone. So this is where you want the product to be. So I'm gonna be using my finger to apply my cream contour. And what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put a little bit on the hollow of my cheekbone, just a little bit, to really mimic my real shadow. So that way you don't do an over contouring. And I blend it out with my beauty blender. See? Very natural. You don't look like you have any contour on, but still it gives an extra dimension at your face. Really, really nice. My nose a little bit, because you do have a shadow on your nose as well, so don't neglect this one. You may think it doesn't seem natural, but really your nose has a shadow on the side of the nose, so it's very natural to do it. A little bit underneath my chin, just to slim it out a little bit. Thank you, my pregnancy. Then I blend it out with my beauty blender again. Now I'm gonna be using a bit of my matte highlighter, where I put my concealer just to brighten up a little bit more my under eye. I blend out with my beauty blender. On my nose as well, a little bit on my chin. And you see, I do everything with my finger and my beauty blender. No need to use extra tools, no need to change brushes. Now I'm gonna use my blush, a little bit apple of the cheek here, just a tiny bit, because you see how pigmented it is. Then I blend it out to make it very natural. You see how versatile can be a beauty blender? Sometimes just a beauty blender is enough to do your whole makeup look. Now we're gonna finish with the highlighter, the shimmery highlight. I'm gonna add it on top of my cheekbone, still with my finger. See, very natural again. A little bit on my brow bone. You see, this is a makeup you can do in 5 to 8 minutes, seriously. This video is a bit longer just because I'm explaining you my steps. But if you do it on your own, seriously, 5 to 8 minutes, the makeup is done. Now we're gonna go to the eyes. And what I do when I want just a no makeup look is just to use a brow gel. And the one I'm using is the L'Oreal Brow Artist Plumber in the shade Medium Dark. Now just to cover up a little bit my veins on my eyelid, I'm gonna be using my eye pen by L'Oreal just to give a little something on my eyes. I'm not gonna do anything else, just gonna cover up a little bit my eyelid, no fuss, and still it gives a little something. You see the difference? And it takes 2 seconds to do it, and it gives a bit of color, and at the same time it covers any veins or sunspot you may have, like I do. I'm gonna just use a pencil for my waterline, and it's the NYX Wonder Pencil in the shade Medium, and it's like a concealer, eyebrow toner, reverse lip liner in one. It does everything, and it's great because it's gonna waken up a bit my eyes, so I look more awake and not sleepy. A little bit on my brow bone as well to make it natural, because it's a matte shade, so it's gonna be very natural. Now the mascara, which is my L'Oreal Paradise Ecstatic. Makeup or no makeup, I need my mascara just to open my eyes, because otherwise I feel my eyes are very small, very close, and feel like very tired. So with the mascara, it's really gonna make my eyes look awake, look alive. Okay, we are almost done. Just 2 steps away before we have finished with the look. I'm gonna put a little bit of gloss. It's like a lip balm slash lip gloss, and it has a little bit of a tint on it. It's gonna give my lips a little bit of color, but still in a very natural way. And it's the Clarins, the Instant Light Lip Comfort Oil, and I have it in the shade O2 Raspberry. The oil in it, it's really gonna nourishing my lips, and this is what we want for a no makeup look. So very natural, as you can see. And to finish off this look, I'm gonna be using my Hourglass Ambient Lighting palette. It has 3 shades on it. They are finishing powder. This is what I said at the beginning. I'm gonna be using 1 brush at the end, which now it's gonna be the time. So with this brush, I'm gonna dust my brush in these 3 here. Okay, and what I'm gonna do is just to finish off the look, to make everything set in one place, because we use only cream product. So this finishing powder, we're just gonna give a bit of radiance, and it's gonna set all the cream product we may have used, so it's not gonna move around. And this is it, guys. We have finished with this look. As you can see, it was very quick, and if I wasn't talking, 5 to 8 minutes the look was done. The look is fresh, is radiant, is healthy. It doesn't look like I'm wearing much of makeup. It really looks like my skin, but better. And I really do love this version of the no makeup look, because it's really me actually. So it's me, but in a better version. So I really do love it. If you did like this video, please give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and hopefully I will see you in my next video. Until then, stay beautiful. Bye.